Danske fødevareuddannelser, voice over, take it. Og Bjarne, hvis du lige holder dig bare lidt til manuskriptet, så skal det nok blive rigtig fint. Du kører bare.
Americans are not winning their battle against obesity.
In a chaotic world where nothing is sacred, food and water resources are running
Eat
low.
chocolate to be skinny.
One man holds the key to the future in his hand.
Skru lige lidt ned for dramaet.
A master of molecules and formulas who dares to make a difference.
You have to be like a smart guy.
Like engineering, biology.
A genetic alchemist.
Ej, det er der vist ikke noget, der hedder.
A renegade genetic alchemist.
Vi tager den senere.
A mad scientist.
Mad, Bjarne, der står mad.
Deep in the jungle, where nothing that lives is safe, he makes things grow.
Det er sådan en rapsmark, det der.
A man on a mission to feed the world with science as his only weapon.
Stikker af nu, Bjarne.
A bread tree.
Ej.
Cheese fields.